Hello and welcome to Events Handling tutorial video of the ZenMobile application. In this video we will focus on the Events tab. In Xenon this is called Chronological Event List, or CEL. In the app we just call it Events for simplicity, but it displays the same information. This tab and this screen is a long list of events as they occur and as they are recorded by Xenon runtime. And when you open the screen, you will see the newest screen, the newest events in the top of the list. And there are sections, so you could see all today events are in this particular section. And if you scroll down, you would see an avalanche of events happening prior to this one. Yeah, it will be probably very hard to scroll to yesterday and previous days, but you can also see that the list actually dynamically fetches additional events if you scroll the very to the very bottom. Yeah, so it's an endless list which always adds information if you reach the end of the list. So now let's focus on the filtering of the list. By the way, this feature, the dynamic loading, also works in the alarms. So this is very similar controls and filtering like in the alarms list. So you can also use this search or filter bar and these buttons for filtering the events. So you can quickly reach to the events you are looking for. So let's say we are interested in events where the one of the kettles was full. So let's type the word full here. The keyword is highlighted here, so that we see that we are actually filtering the list down by this word, and the text is searched in the variable names and in the limit value text. So you could see here the word full appears here, while when we send the push notification via the message control module, it's also included in the message. Yeah, so you could see other events here as well. Yeah, so this was a very quick and powerful way how to filter the list down. And as in the alarms list, we could use these buttons to combine the filter we just have here with additional options. But I can also say that I can add more text searches here. So let's say I would be only interested in the events with the full and with the mesh kettle, for instance. So let's say mesh. Yeah, so probably all those events are associated with mesh anyway. So let's say I would do mesh and received, just to demonstrate that we can quickly combine those text searches and reach the level we want. And we can add the time-based filtering as well. So nothing happened in last hour, but in last 12 hours we have these events. On this tab we can simply select whether we are interested in the system events or the process variable related events. So if I say process, I would only see the process related events, but those we have seen are actually system events. Yeah, so this is produced by Xenon itself. So I will say I wanna see process related events, and then I would only see those events that actually are configured in Xenon using the limit values. And I can also use the tagging here in the alarm classes, we have set up these for priorities. So if I clear this list a little bit, I could see that some of those events has those priorities, like this one. Yeah. So I can also say I'm only interested in the priority 1 events, which are, for instance, these, and so on. Yeah. So that's the event list, and on every event I can always tap the row and I'm presented with the detail. So there is not that many information extra on the event detail screen, but especially in this section I could see the actual value of the variable that the event is related to, and so on. So that was events handling in ZenMobile application.